Queensland sees flooding after near-record rainfall. Record rainfall is causing widespread flooding in far north Queensland, in what authorities expect will be the Australian region's worst ever flood. Thousands of people have been evacuated but others remain stranded. Extreme weather driven by a tropical cyclone has dumped a year's worth of rain on some areas. Images from the region show planes submerged at Cairns Airport, a crocodile scene in the middle of a town, and people fleeing homes in boats. So far no deaths or missing people have been reported, but a 10-year-old girl is in a critical condition after being struck by lightning in Cairns on Saturday. Intense rainfall is expected to continue for another 24 hours. Many homes have been inundated, power and roads have been cut off and safe drinking water has dwindled.